Did I tell you how much I love having internet in the garage?
Video in case you missed that one. I believe that one came out first.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Mustang Nation. I gotta tell you, having internet here in the garage is amazing. Shout out to my buddy Matt from Gearhead 704. He just recently surpassed 5,000 subscribers. Congratulations, buddy. So well deserved. You're totally grinding and working hard, putting out some great content. And if you've never heard of Gearhead 704, I'll leave a link in the description. Please check him out and give him a subscription. So we're back here out in the Mustang Nation garage. Sounds so, I don't know, impressive, but not really. It's been a few weeks since I started the car. Been real busy with family and work stuff. So I'm gonna give it a cold start now, let it idle a little bit. It is getting cold out. Summer is definitely over. So gotta keep this thing started up. I haven't put the battery tender on it just yet. I like to do that during the cold months, but yeah, let's give it a start and give it a listen. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, I want to say welcome to all the new subscribers out there. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for the feedback. Thank you for the comments. And thank you for subscribing. We just passed 800 subscribers here on the channel, and we are well on our way to 900. We're really close to my goal of 1,000 subscribers, and I think we're going to get there sooner than later, so I just want to say thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now, because we have all types of Mustang content here on the channel, and I know you're going to enjoy it. So it's starting to get cold out here in the Northeast, and I'm starting to think about what modifications I want to do to the 99 GT over the winter, getting it ready for spring. For the most part, it's been really tough to get together with any type of people, much less car people. So I sincerely hope that spring 2021 is much, much better. And I hope that this video finds you and your family happy and healthy. Now let's get to car stuff. So as you know, in a previous video, I was talking about not supercharging the 99 and leaving it NA and saving up for a Terminator Cobra, because honestly, that's my dream car. So now the idea of supercharging this car is starting to really gain traction with me again. Let me explain. The 2-valve Mustang gets a lot of hate, especially on like Facebook forums, whether they're undervaluing it because it's old and slow, or they are making fun of it because it can't keep up. I've thought of 4-valve swapping this car, but I don't know, I just think the challenge of making a 2-valve car fast is a lot of fun. And when I say fast, I only want 350 to 375 rear wheel through the automatic. I'm not looking for a race car, I'm looking for a fun street car. I've already been talking to a shop about doing 373s and an SCT tuner on here to recalibrate the 4R70W. So that's more than likely gonna go through no matter what. But I'm going back to the Supercharger Ideas. And I have found a really good deal on a Saleen Series 4 with a kit that is complete, and the price is pretty good. However, you know, that Kenny Bell 2.1 is always on my mind, and you know, it's going to be considerably more money, but I hate to invest in a supercharger that's the wrong move and spending more later on down the road. And if you watch ReaperGT, shout out to him, he did a 2.1 Kenny Bell install on his, I think it's a 2000 Mustang GT, or it might be a 99 like this. And he really likes the power, and you can definitely check him out because his car is running pretty quick with just a supercharger. And I think that a 2.1 intercooled Kenny Bell would really work well for me. But I'm not sure if I want to go new or used. Buying a used kit, you always have to deal with maybe you're missing a couple of pieces, and is the headache worth saving a couple of bucks? I don't know, but the Kenny Bell kit is pretty pricey. There's also the John's Motorsport S281 kit, or it's the 281 kit, or whatever they call it. And what they do is they take a kit that's similar to the Saleen Series 4, which is a 1600 Lyshone blower made by Whipple, and they replace all the parts. It's based off the Saleen Series 4, and it has a 2300 2.3 liter Whipple. and the price is comparable to a Kenny Bell, and it seems to make comparable power. Although, to be honest, the only people I see running that kit are John's Motorsports. Although I reached out to him and he was really great with questions, and so was Kenny Bell. Because honestly, even if I pick up a Terminator, I really don't want to get rid of this car. I do love this car. I love the way it looks. I love the new edge body style. And I think that I can have a lot of fun with this car on a moderate budget, putting a decent amount of horsepower without going completely crazy. So if you have one of these types of superchargers on your 2-valve, or if you have an opinion on what I should do with this car, whether I should just keep it an A, swap in a 4-valve, supercharge, or boost a 2-valve, let me know in the comment section down below. I definitely want some input from you guys. The good thing is it's getting colder out, so I don't have to be in a rush to do anything. This could be a winter project, but I'd really like to come out in the spring with a little more oomph out of this car, no matter what, because I do love it and I enjoy it. And I think there's a lot of us out there that really enjoy our 2-valve cars, and we want to keep them reliable, quick, and just enjoyable. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. Like I said, I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the comments. So do me a favor, make sure you sound off in the comment section down below about what you think should be done with this car, or what you've done with your 2-valve car to enjoy it a little bit more. So that's about it for this video. I want to thank you very much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you on the next one. Take care.